All right, so Sledgehammer commencing now. Let me put the timer starting in 3, 2, 1, and we go. So again, you can keep your legs in like your knees bent. And what you want to do is actually rotate as far as you can. And this way, we're actually getting the full functionality of the abs. And this one is kind of tough. 0. So again, this exercise is rotation. If you can't do 1 minute, not a problem. I couldn't do a minute when I first started. It's important to do as much as you can, and it's something to work up to, because once you start working out in this fashion, again, to mimic real life scenarios, rotation, lower abs, this is something that you can definitely use to incorporate every day.